Morning, my name's Craig from Total Triumph in Taunton. Just want to do a quick video of the new Triumph Scrambler 400X. So these came to us about a week ago. As you can see, I've got both the matte car kit at the back there and one of the red bikes in store now. These are of course full production bikes, they're European specification and both in completely standard form at the minute. So you see the Scrambler 400 includes the handguards, handlebar brace and headlight guard. They also come fitted on the Scrambler with sump guard, radiator guard as well. Triumph have used this colour scheme on some of the Street Twins, Street Scramblers and the likes recently. It is very, very nice. Offset with the gold forks. The red bike there is the demo bike, which I'll fire up shortly. So since they came in, we've been going through our deposit holder list, getting out test rides on them. Our team have all ridden the bike, myself included, and it's lovely. It's very, very light. The single cylinder engine very smooth, so it does run balancer shafts to ensure it remains smooth and refined. You can see all these styling cues from Triumph that mimic the Scrambler 1200 sprocket cover, the triangular generator cover, which obviously historically has been used on Bonneros for years and replicated on the Hinckley stuff, and that cylinder head machine in the heat sink on the header pipe as well. So it is a typical Triumph when you look at it, and that's in terms of build quality and looks and design. Shortly we'll be emailing out a test ride event. So firstly we're going to ensure that all our deposit holders have ridden the bike, and that gives us a clear position on availability and timescales for deliveries for new inquiries. So as anyone who is then interested, we can furnish them with the right details about delivery frames. You see on the dashboard there, as we turn the bike on, you've got a lovely big clear gear indicator right in the centre. Speedo runs around the whole left hand side, and as do all modern bikes, includes all the latest features on these: ABS, traction control. We've got obviously fuel gauge, range, fuel economy, all to hand. As I just start the bike up, unlike a lot of Triumphs, we don't actually need to hold the clutch in on this model, so start button on the right hand side here. Up he comes, and again, a little unlike some of the existing Triumphs, the ABS and traction control light are both going to go out when we ride off, so at about 4 or 5 miles an hour. So the sound of it's engineered really nicely. Very, very quiet mechanically, as we've come to expect with the Triumph modern classics, and a lovely exhaust note. So I've been out a couple of times on this one. I say the smoothness is very noticeable. Having the 6-speed gearbox is nice. It's very short in first gear, so it goes up little lanes well, and it fuels really nicely at the low engine speeds. I'll show you around the front. We've got because the sun's so bright you can't really see it, but the daytime running light mimicking the Scrambler 1200, and from afar, I say, very reminiscent of its sort of that family of bikes. So you can see on the right next to it is a Scrambler 900, and yeah, the similarities are significant. Now my team, Julian and myself on sales, would take any inquiries on these, so if you are interested, by all means give me a quick call. We're open Monday to Saturday. You can contact us. Our email is just sales@totaltriumph.co.uk, or you can get me on 01823 358 899. These bikes are now on display here, the green ones from our showroom, so if you want to come down, try it for size yourself, please do. And as I say, keep an eye out on our mailings for the opportunity to test ride in the next week or two.